Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable ransomware protection in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable ransomware protection in Windows 10 computer, go to search, type Windows Security, click on Windows Security, and now click on virus and threat protection on left corner. Now scroll down. Here you will find ransomware protection, and you will find an option here, manage ransomware protection. Click on it, and control folder access, protect files, folders and memory areas on your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly applications. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And now click on yes. Now ransomware threat protection is turned on or enabled in my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.